probably shouldn't have done this. Hey guys, so I'm going to attempt to cut my hair today. I will be following a Manes by Mell tutorial, which I will link up here. Wish me luck. I am very scared. So let's take this down and brush it and see what we're working with. Wow, stunning. So Mel said in her video to first have like a little consultation with yourself and figure out what you want. So what I want is some face framing layers, because these are way too long. Really not any length off the ends, maybe just a little bit, and some more layers throughout here to give me a little bit more shape and take some of this weight off of my hair. So I do normally part my hair on this side, but I've kind of been switching it back and forth, so I want to try more of a middle part to cut it, so that way I can kind of switch between sides. Now I'm going to put in some Olaplex number 2, which you can use as a cutting lotion, and I'm also going to be getting it wet. I'm nervous. So what Mel said to do was to take your comb, hold it in the middle, and then hold it on your forehead. And where the comb comes off of your head is where you will section away. So that's right here. Okay, that's a little bit better. So now I'm gonna get it wet. Do it on my computer right here, so I'm really trying not to get that wet. Okay, so next she says to make a triangle from that part you made. So I have my scissors. So just comb it down and a few inches below your chin. Here we go. Okay, I guess that's fine. So now let's do this side. Get it wet. And she says to pull it across the face. So we're combing across the face and then cutting all this off. Okay. She says, check it. Slope. So now the other side, let's get it wet. Oh, that's a lot of hair. Now, both sides are down and we can check. Side's a little bit longer, or a lot. Wow, look at that. Okay, you know what? That's good enough for me. What's next? So bangs are done, I've gone and clipped them away. And now I will take this hair down and brush it all the way forward. Stick it right here. Okay, so I have it in the unicorn. Put in my cutting lotion at the ends. And I'll wet it too. Why is this side so much longer than this side? It's so weird. This is terrifying because, like, am I really gonna cut that much off? Oh my God. And like she says, it's layers, not length, but it's pretty scary. Pray for me. Let's do that much. Okay. I didn't even cut anything from this side or the front. Yeah, I guess it did. That part's done, so let's take it down. Nervous. Okay, that did not do a damn thing, because look, this is what I wanted to cut. And it's still there. I don't know, maybe this doesn't work for how long my hair is, because these layers need to be like that much shorter. Okay, this clearly is not in the video, but I just had an idea that I'm going to use this washable marker highlighter and draw on these parts, this top layer, so I know which hair is that when I put it up. It may not work, probably isn't. Again, not in the video. Don't recommend trying this at home. I probably shouldn't have used green. Let's get a different color. Okay, again, do not try this at home. This is a washable dry erase marker, but I just made 2 lines on the top layer. And now I'm gonna put it back up in the unicorn and see if I can see where these hairs are. Ooh. Here it is. Oh my God, that's so much hair. I don't think I can cut that much off. Okay, I've been sitting here for like 20 minutes. I think I'm gonna do it. Mom, don't kill me if you ever see this. Let's take it out. Oh God, cross your fingers. So I'm just gonna say it. I don't think this works with hair this long, because there's no way to get these top layers short enough. There's no way I'm cutting this much more hair off of my head. Probably shouldn't have done this. Okay, what's next? Okay, so now just the very ends. So I've wet both sides, brushed through it. I love that line I drew on my hair. And she says to turn your head sideways and just cut the very ends. And now the other side. Now let's pull both sides to the front. See if it's even. A little bit more on this side. That's pretty good. Let's take this down, see how it blends in. Okay, so I'm gonna go style my hair and be back, and let's see if I didn't completely ruin my hair. So here is my dried and styled hair. I'm actually surprised with how much body I got from the trim, even though these layers aren't as short as I would have liked them, but I have a lot more curl in this top layer since it's not so weighed down now. I was really worried at first. I thought it looked god awful and like I made a huge mistake and my mom was gonna kill me, but didn't turn out so bad. But this is the end of the video. It's a little hair cutting experiment. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if I make another one, I hope to see you in it.